Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to use the sound recorder on the Lenovo Tab M7. Like our videos? Consider supporting by subscribing or liking our videos. With that said, let's dive in. First, you need to search for the sound recorder. Once you've found it, tap on it to open it. Now that you've opened the sound recorder, you can click the record button on the bottom left. This allows you to record sounds using your device. While recording, you can pause or unpause it to your liking. If you want to end the recording, tap on the stop icon on the bottom right side. Then, clicking it again will give you the chance to either discard or save the recording. If you want to access your recordings, click on the list icon on the right hand side. And there you have it, it's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.